How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Google Photos app on your device and then tap on your profile icon. Here, go ahead and select the Google Photos settings option in the settings menu. Now, tap on the backup option you see there and turn off the toggle button for backup. This step ensures that your photos will no longer be backed up to Google Photos, which is important to prevent them from being deleted from your phone when you remove them from the cloud. You can later turn it on if required. Now, when you try to delete a photo from Google Photos app, you will notice a pop-up notification. This will tell you that the photo will also be deleted from your device if you proceed. So, do not worry, we are going to delete them from Google Photos only. So, open a web browser and in the search bar search for photos.google.com and sign in with the same Google account used for Google Photos. Once logged in, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and then choose the Select Photos option. Now, select the photos you want to remove from Google Photos, and after selecting the photos, tap on the delete icon at the top of your screen and then choose Move to Trash option you see there. Finally, go to the trash folder by tapping on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then tapping on the bin option. Now, tap on the trash icon and delete the photos from there as well. Once they are gone from the trash, they will be fully removed from Google Photos but will remain on your phone. So, this was about how you can delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.